Okay, YouTubers, this is the Angry Prepper. Today's video is going to be on figure 8 coiling. This is part 2 or second episode of the useful knot series. Again, this is useful knot and or packing of rope or coiling of rope. Alright guys, let's get into it. So it's another method to carry your rope and or a 550 cord. Right? So I carry a lot of 550 cord. I rarely carry rope. I do carry webbing. Even when I carry my small coil of rope, it's only to drag logs and things like that, right? So it's not climbing rope. But I carry a lot of 550 cord, and with 550 cord, instead of doing what I've seen people do, throw it in a ball and put it in their bag, now when you need to use it, you got to untangle this mess, right? So last week I did daisy chaining, and this week I'm going to do figure 8. Now figure 8 coiling is easy, right? Take the end of the palm of your hand, you pinch it between your thumb and your palm. You take the rope, you cross the inside of your pinky, wrap around the outside, and cross the rope around your thumb, back inside your pinky, out inside of your thumb, inside of your pinky, and you cross the rope each time. Before you know it, you'll end up looking like this. And then there you go. Now once you get to, I'm going to say about 6 inches or so of 550 cord, you're going to stop, tuck it underneath the rope, tuck it twice, and then push it through the loop. And then it chokes on itself. And it doesn't go anywhere, right? So this is figure 8 coiling. This is a really short video. I'm starting a series called the useful knot series. It's what we normally use out here. It's probably only going to be like 3-4 videos maybe. So this is actually the second video of useful knots or rope coiling. Alright guys, this is the Angry Prepper. Thank you for watching. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, Google+, and Twitter. You can also watch me on the Angry Prepper Urban, and you can listen to me on podcasts as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching.